Hi everyone, I am Travis. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Travis Gets Creative. Today I have an unboxing of some wonderful, pleasant smelling items. And I first discovered this company, Take 10 Candle Emporium, aka Carrie, through Nix's live stream. So I was finally able to put in an order, and I wanted to show off what I got. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get the box in frame here. It came in this huge box, very well taped. So bear with me a minute as I start cutting through all this goodness. And we will see if I can figure out how to open it. So I'm getting the idea that this might be one of those tricky boxes that opens from the front. Okay, I do have my wax warmer here. It's just one of the basic ones that I found at Walmart. It has these nice salt crystals inside. So it is cold in my room right now, so while it is putting off some heat, it's not totally melting right away. And I kind of prefer that, honestly. I like a more gradual release of scent. So I am using these silicone baking cups. I found that they make cleanup so much easier. And what was happening was, inside you can see the blue coating started to come off. So I decided to switch to these. It is a little dirty inside. Sorry, but for my purposes, it's still working great. So yeah, the silicone baking cups are a great tip. I can't remember which YouTube video I watched that tipped me off about that, but I think there are at least a few people that have suggested that tip. All right. Let's see if I am getting some movement. Okay. Do that. My nails are mostly clean. I did get all the black nail polish off, so now I need to go through and trim them and make them look all nice again, but at least they're not covered in half-peeling black nail paint, or nail lacquer, or polish, whatever word you choose to use. Alright, so one of the items that I ordered is going to be a gift, and the rest are all for me. So let me get this open and we'll take a look here. So I'm just trying to make sure I don't hit the camera. So the first thing we have here is her business card. Take 10 candles. Take 10 Candle Emporium. It has her email, Etsy store, Facebook, and YouTube. So I will definitely make sure to post all of that information in the description below so that you can find all her wonderful items. Let me remove the packing slip for a moment. There is a nice handwritten note. Travis, thank you so much for your order and supporting my business. Love, Carrie. Oh, you're welcome, Carrie. I'm sorry it took me so long to do it, but finally got around to it. So there's a diamond painting with sparklers card. And it looks like there's a coupon code and a free frost sample, which are beautiful. So I will definitely be using those. I actually have a Tmall order, diamond painting with sparklers, that I'm going to be filming an unboxing for after this, so that's kind of funny. And then there's another card here. Thank you for supporting my small business. Wax melt sample, ladies' night. Oh, I've been wanting to try this. I don't want to tear it off, but I want to open it so I can get a good sniff. Oh, that smells good. Sorry, let me sniff it again and I'll tell you what it reminds me of. It's definitely like a fruity evening drinks kind of scent. Almost smells like mango. A bit of mango in there too. So thank you, Carrie. I will definitely put that in my wax melt as well. And I'm sure I'll be buying that too at some point. So as you can see, everything comes nicely packaged. Let me just pick one out here. So they come in these cute canisters to make sure that they are safe during the shipping process. So give me just a moment and I'll take all 4 of these out and then relocate the box so we have more room. Alright, so that is the box. I'm going to go ahead and close it just because I don't want any of that packing material spilling all over my floor. Okay. I have set that aside. So let's just start with this one here. It just kind of screws off the top. It's not really a screw lid, it just kind of pops on and off. And then, whoops, had to get it properly. This is the Take 10 Wax Melt Crumble Bubba Berry Strawberry Guava. So it has all of these little crumbles that you can then put into your wax melt, and you can control the scent a little more easily because you can scoop just what you think you need. So this one is going to be a gift for my father. I got him a wax melter for Christmas. Don't tell anyone. And yeah, I think he's really going to like it. So he's one of those people that he likes scents, like candles and stuff, but if it's too overpowering, then it gives him a headache. So I thought this would be a good solution to the wax melt idea, so he can add just as much as he thinks he needs, and then as he gets more used to it, then he'll know exactly how much he needs. So let's open it up here and I'll give you a peek. Oh, that smells wonderful. Definitely picking up that guava and some of those berry scents. Oh, this is cute. It comes with a nice little scoop. Well, that's wonderful. That makes it easier to measure everything. Yeah, he's really going to like that. And it's a scent that you can't go wrong with. Everybody likes the scent of strawberries, berries, and even guava. I know he'll like that too. So that is the first one that I purchased. I'll set it here. I don't know what to do with these canisters, but it'll make good wrapping packaging material. So I'll definitely save those as well and repurpose them. All right. I do have my phone charging, so I'm not going to be adding extra footage as I'm unboxing, but I will take photos of the labels so you can get a good look at everything. This one is called Bourbon Bliss. It is apples, maple bourbon, apple cider, and oak. And I thought this one sounded really interesting. Oh, that's really nice. Oh yeah, I love that one. They are scented very well, so you're definitely going to get your money's worth. It's not like you're getting something that's going to run out of scent within the first hour that you use it. So I appreciate that especially. Oh, I can already smell it. This one is Sanguine Orange, Blood Orange scent. I'm not a big orange person, but I love the scent of blood orange. So I thought this would be a fun one to try as well. Oh, that's nice. It's definitely an orange scent. Honestly, it just reminds me of really good orange juice. Like the kind you squeeze yourself, not the overly processed, watered down kind that I tend to buy because I'm cheap. So it comes with a variety of different sizes, so that will help with the melting process too, because you'll get some that melt pretty quickly and others that last a little bit longer. So that'll just help ensure that the scent carries through for a longer period of time. I know she said she was going to be switching to plastic baggies or some other solution for these. I'm sure it would be cheaper on shipping, but I really like the glass jars. Right, and this is the final one that I picked up. I've heard a few people on Nyx's live streams raving about this one, so I also picked up the Meditation Wax Melt Crumbles. This one is Dragon's Blood, Black Currant, Jasmine, and Frankincense. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, it definitely has a kind of a relaxing, soothing kind of scent. I think it's the frankincense mostly, but they're all really good. They blend well together. So the lids come with this silicone topper on, so while it's not likely to be totally airproof, it's still going to keep everything inside fresh. So that is lovely. I think I'm going to try this one out. I went ahead and turned my wax warmer on so it could start warming up a bit. Yeah. It's warmed up a bit, but it's not like to the point where it's melted anything yet, except maybe a little bit of residue on the bottom. But that's my fault for not cleaning it. So I'm just going to put down some of these cotton pads that I use to clean my nails to make sure my table is protected. I mean, it's got enough ink on it. A little wax wouldn't hurt, but just to be safe. What I like to do is I'll just make sure I don't have any dust or any other debris in the cup. Put that in there. And I think I'm going to start with 2 scoops. Heck, we'll go for 3. 3 heaping teaspoons full. Or scoops full, I should say. Alright, so those are the Take 10 Wax Melt Crumbles. I really like this idea. I was looking at scoopable wax and squeezable wax, but I felt like the crumbles might be a little easier for me, and especially for my dad. Kind of less fuss that way. And it's easy for him to control the amount of scent he gets, like I said. So I think he's really going to like this. I know I like the ones I picked up. I'm probably going to get Bubba Berry for myself at some point. Maybe I'll do that as a birthday present for myself in February. That would be nice. So yeah, thank you so much, Carrie. I have really appreciated and loved getting to know you better through Nyx's streams, and I'm glad I'm finally able to support your shop, and I can't wait to see what else you come out with, because I'm pretty sure I'm going to want all that too. Alright, I'm going to let the video keep going to do a little time lapse of this melting, and I will see you all later. Bye. Oh, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bells. All of that just helps me reach you and reach other people, and it will let you know first when I upload new content. So please do that if you haven't already. I appreciate it. Thank you. Bye.